The title of this mini podcast is Potential Isn't Enough. Watching the NFL draft last night, I was struck with this idea. The difference of having potential and doing something with it. Potential can be an empty promise. It's like holding a seed in your hand and calling it a garden. Without soil, without action, without something to grow into, that seed is just possibility going nowhere. So here's a question. Are you as smart as someone who's way more successful than you? Now, most people would honestly say, yeah, probably. But that's not the right question. A more revealing one is, are you as resourceful as they are? That's when things actually become clear, because the answer there is almost always no. So what resources are they using that you're not? For me, the first place I look is internal. We all have access to creativity, intuition, problem solving, but we block it constantly with non-stop thinking. And here's the rub. The more you stay in your head, the further you get from the very resources you're trying to access. It's like trying to plant seeds in a dry, cracked ground and wondering why nothing grows. If you want something to actually grow, you got to get out of that barren mental loop and into a place where things can take root. Let me ask you this. How much of your thinking is about how successful you should be versus what you've actually done? Because those are two very different things. Thinking compares. Doing produces. Thinking leans on things like IQ, which, let's be honest, is mostly an accident of birth. But accomplishment? That tells a different story. That tells me how often you've taken your ideas and actually put your hands in the dirt. That's where growth happens. So if you really want your potential to mean something, you've got to move past just knowing what you know. You got to step out of your head and into the field where ideas get planted, tested, adjusted, grown. Because at the end of the day, what you do with your potential will always matter more than the fact that you have it. I wonder how soon you'll pick up that hoe and plant your potential. All the best, John.